Here's 3 house dance footwork moves you can learn quick and a routine to help you remember them. I'll break the moves down slow, we'll put them into a routine, and then we'll hit that with the music at the end. Stand up, find yourself some space, and let's go. Now, when learning from these videos, you want to mirror me, which means dance it like you're looking in the mirror. So if I'm going right heel, you're going left heel. Now, I will have your angle down towards the left of the screen, so that'll help you out a little. So the first move is our loose legs. So you're going to step left foot in front, step your right foot at the back, you're going to heel on left foot, and then you're going to step that left foot in. So let's do that again. So it's left foot in front, you re-step right at the back, step your left foot onto its heel, and then step that left foot in as you twist that right foot. Boom. Now let's try it on the other side. So this time you're going to step your right foot in front, you're going to step the left foot at the back, you're going to right heel, and then you're going to step that right foot in to meet the outside of your left foot. So one more, you step right foot in front, left steps at the back, right foot onto heel at the front, and then you step it in as you twist that left foot, and boom, that's your loose legs there. So let's try one side into the other now. So we're going to step left foot, you re-step right foot, left foot onto heel, step left foot in. Then you're going to step right foot in front, you're going to step left foot at the back, you're going to right foot onto heel, and then step that right foot in. And then again, left, right, heel, in. Right, left, heel, in. A little quicker. Left, right, heel, in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. There's your loose legs. On to move number 2 is your stomp now. So hop, tap, out, another 3 count move. So make sure you're hitting your jack with all of these moves. Keep that body moving. So it's 3 steps. So we're going to hop on count 1 and bring your knee up. You're going to step that foot down on count 2 and then jump out on count 3, hit a little jack. So you hop 1, step it down on 2, jump out 3 and jack. Now one more time. So make sure your knee comes up. You tap it down. And then you want to bend your knees and jack as you land. Now on the other side, you bring right knee up, tap that right foot down, jump out, jack, bend them knees. Then left foot up, you tap it down, out and jack. So it's 1, 2, 3. 3 count move. Yeah, so one side into the other. So we hop, tap, out, then right foot, hop, tap, out, then left foot. Hop, tap, jack, hop, tap, jack, hop, tap, jack, hop, tap, jack. Boom. There's your stomp. That's move number 2 done. On to move number 3, which is your sidewalk now. It's a little more of a technical move. So let's break this one down slow. So we step left foot behind. We're going to step our right foot out to the side. You're going to hop onto your left foot as you tap your right toe out to the side. So this is a 4 count move. So again, slow. So we step left foot behind, right foot to the side, hop onto your left foot, and then tap your right toe down. Boom. Now let's try the other side. So you're going to bring right foot behind this time. Then you're going to step your left foot to the side. You're going to hop on your right foot, bring your left foot up, and then tap your toe down on count 4. So again, one more. We step right behind, step left out to the side, hop on your right foot, tap your left toe down. And then we're going to go one side into the other side now. So we'll start with that left side, and then we'll go to right. So we go left, right, hop, tap. Then from here, you step that right foot behind, right, left, hop, tap left foot. And then you step left foot behind, left, right, hop, tap, right, left, hop, tap, left, right, hop, tap. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is your timing of this one. So this one's a little bit quicker than the other moves, but that's move number 3. Now let's put these moves into a routine. So we're going to go 2 loose legs. So left foot first, then a right foot loose legs. Then we're going to go stomp. So you're going to lift up your left knee, hop, tap, out with right foot. Then we're going to go 2 sidewalks. You're going to left, right, hop, tap, right, left, hop, tap. Then to finish it out, we're actually going to add a bonus move, a retreat, which is just a stomp to the side. So you're going to hop, turn to the side, tap out, and then hop to the other side, right knee coming up, tap it down and out. And then from there, you'll go straight back into the loose legs. So let's try these moves quick now. So your timing quick. This is your timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's your loose legs timing. So loose legs is quick. And stomp. So stomp's quick. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. Hop, tap, out. So again, that 3 count move is your stomp. Now remember your sidewalk, 4 count move. So you're timing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, 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 tap. Yeah, a little bit quicker, a little more technical. And then you retreat the last move, same timing as your stomp, a 3 count move. Okay, so we're gonna go 2 loose legs, then we go 2 of our stomps, then we go 2 of our sidewalks, then we go 2 of the retreats, yeah? Now let's try it nice and slow, and then we'll build the speed up. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot, tap, out. Hot, tap, out. Left, right, hot, tap. Right, left, hot, tap. Hot, tap, out. Hot, tap, out. And that's ending with your retreat there, yeah? Let's go one more time, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot tap out. Hot tap out. Your left, right. Hot tap, right, left. Hot tap out. Hot tap out. And there it is. There's your routine. Now if you're struggling with that, then rewind it. Go right back to the beginning. Go through it a few more times. Get it good. Now I will have the angle down here when we're going with the music, so you guys will be fine. Just make sure you add that jack. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, let's go. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Smash that like button if you did.